to be honest, this is the discussion we already have, and I think this is going to be continued, shows that it's not such easy like flying a drone from A to B. Yeah. So from a technology perspective, it looks pretty easy, and it works since years. Yeah, a drone can fly safely from A to B. But you've learned now, and you will continue to learn. This kicked off a whole ecosystem of regulatory aspects, which have not been covered as of today. Finally, so we have some elements in place. All the element providers, that same counts for Droniq, has been founded to support that whole exercise. With us comes the part of also mobile connectivity, because we think this is something crucial, that these new aircrafts are continuously connected and show their own position and the vicinity to others to the system. But at the end, we see that picture before, we've marked ourselves as use-based service providers, which is a role which has been introduced not so many years ago, which even is not live yet. Same counts for the so-called CISP services, which we have heard of a lot now. And at the end, you as a customer hopefully never need to take care of. Yeah, this is one of the most tremendous jobs Michael and Helikus are doing. They have a customer care center which is in front of all of that regulatory and economic fuss in the backyard. I think the reason why we are telling you is just to make you crystal clear that this all not comes for free. Yeah, so this will cost a lot of money to safeguard these systems, to build up that kind of infrastructure for these systems, and that there is a really big bag behind. This looks pretty easy here. There's USSP and there is air traffic control and they talk to you. It's not so easy. There are many USSPs, there are many ANSPs. If you do cross-border flights, it's even more complicated. So don't look too much to the regulation part. I'm only telling to the customers. Don't look too much to the regulation part. Look to service providers like Michael and his team, which makes it hopefully on your side as easy as possible to use drones, to make use of drones, and hopefully to save life with that. Thank you.
Thank you.